Hi Janice, how are you? Oh, me too. Is there anything you want to ask? Of course, two combinations with repetition are considered identical if they have the same elements repeated the same number of times, regardless of their order. Note that the following are equivalent. 1. The number of combinations of n objects taken are at a time with repetition. Stars and stripes, balls and urns. It's basically a question of how to distribute n objects, call them balls, into k categories, call them urns. We can think of it as follows. Take n balls in k1 dividers. If a ball falls between two dividers, it goes into the corresponding urn. If there's nothing between two dividers, then there's nothing in the corresponding urn. Let's look at this with a concrete example. I want to distribute 5 balls into 3 urns. As before, take 5 balls in 2 dividers. Any selection of R objects from A, where each object can be selected more than once, is called a combination of n objects taken R at a time with repetition. Two combinations with repetition are considered identical if they have the same elements repeated the same number of times, regardless of their order. Combinations without repetition. The combinations without repetition of elements taken in are the different groups of elements that can be formed by these elements, so that two groups differ only if they have different elements. That is to say, the order does not matter. They are represented as Cn, K. Do you understand?